In 1987, a medical device called the Bair Hugger was invented and brought to market. This device is used to keep patient body temperatures from falling to dangerous levels during and after surgery. The Bair Hugger was manufactured by Arizant Healthcare. Later, that company was bought out and became a division of the 3M Corporation. The device itself is called a forced air warming device it's used as a portable blower in order to surround the patient with warm air while that patient is draped in a disposable blanket. Since the product entered the market, it's generated more than $31 billion in sales, making it a highly lucrative medical device for the 3M Corporation. An estimate showed that more than 200 million patients have used this device ever since. But the Bair Hugger blankets have a serious design flaw that 3M was well aware of for at least the last 7 years. The warm, moist air that the blanket circulates around is the perfect breeding ground for potentially life-threatening bacteria, and some patients that use the Bair Hugger devices develop extremely serious deep joint bacterial infections as a result. In some cases, the infections were so bad, so severe that the patients actually died. In at least 14 lawsuits filed against 3M and Arizant in federal courts across the country, surgery patients allege that introduction of warm air disrupts normal airflow in an operating room. They say this allowed bacteria to circulate in inner incisions, causing infections which require additional medical procedures, including premature replacement of the prosthetic devices and complete amputations. The suits allege that 3M and Arizant have been aware of the risk posed by the device since at least 2009 and still actively market it as safe. More than 50,000 units are currently in use in America, and as usual, instead of doing the responsible thing by pulling the product off the market, or at least the very least warning doctors and hospitals about the potential dangers, the company decided to ignore scientific data and push their product onto hospitals. On top of that, 3M launched a PR campaign aimed at discrediting all the reports that are coming out saying that their product is dangerous. Part of their campaign involved launching a website called truthaboutbairhugger.com, where they tell readers that all of the evidence showing their device has just been made up. It just is not true. The truth is, 3M doesn't want to give up any of the market to their competitors who are putting out a much safer product. 3M will stop at nothing to convince people that their device is perfectly safe. The fact that the company is facing more than 1,000 lawsuits all over the country says otherwise.